Hi, in today's video, I'll show you how to convert images to PDF on your Android phone. First, open the Google Photos or Gallery app on your Android phone. Next, select the image or images you want to convert into a PDF. Tap the Share button, then look for the Print option. On some Android phones, you may need to tap the three-dot menu first to find it. When the print preview appears, tap the printer selection at the top and choose Save as PDF. Review the preview to make sure the image looks correct. If you're converting multiple images, make sure all the images you want are selected before using the print option, if your phone supports multiple image printing. Next, tap the PDF or Save button. Choose the folder where you want to save the file, enter a file name, and tap Save. Your image will now be saved as a PDF file on your Android phone. To check your new PDF, open the Files or File Manager app and go to the folder where you saved it. You can open the PDF to make sure everything looks correct. You can also share it through email, messaging apps, or other services whenever you need it. If your Android phone doesn't have a Save as PDF option, you can use a trusted document or PDF app that supports image to PDF conversion. That's all. You've successfully converted an image to a PDF file on your Android phone. Happy watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more.